Good morning. So I'm gonna do what I eat in a day video. I did a what I eat in a day or week video, but I was so bad at it because I totally forgot to record a lot of my meals. And while I was editing and watching that video, I was laughing because I was like, wow, I ate a lot of waffles. And I didn't really explain what exactly I was eating in every single one of those snippets. So I was kind of laughing because I'm like, these people probably think I go around eating just regular waffles all the time. So I actually do eat protein waffles. I use Kodiak. Right now, I love to switch up the toppings. I did make matcha cinnamon protein waffles and they were just so amazing. But lately I've just been kind of harped on these like cinnamon waffles. So I just use the Kodiak buttermilk protein waffle mix. I do love their chocolate chip one. Almost all the ones that they make, the blueberry ones, I think I just stopped buying it because of like the sugar content. I don't remember, to be honest. And when my husband first bought me this waffle mix, I did not like it at all. I thought it was gross. Like I love crusty blueberry waffles, but like I said, the sugar is just so high. And since this has a little bit more protein and we're on a fitness kick, I just started using this. I don't know if my taste buds just adapted and acquired to it or what. But yeah, when I first tried this particular waffle mix, I was like, ew, this is gross. Like, who can tolerate this? So I just, I don't have the box because I bought it at Costco and I like bought the really big one. So I threw the box away just because it started getting annoying in the cabinet. And then I just grabbed cinnamon. This is regular ground cinnamon, no sugar in this. And then I just add a couple of dashes. So it's pretty big in there. And mix it. After I filmed that last video, I was so sad because my waffle maker broke. Like, the top part was burning my waffle and the bottom part was no longer making the waffle. Like, it was like just so raw. So I have a new one. I'm gonna spray with olive oil. I was using avocado oil for a while, but the sprayer on it just sucked, and I like this one really a lot. I get it from Target. So just grab my waffle mix. I want to say this is about the serving size that Kodiak suggests. I believe it's like 220 calories for the amount of grams. To be honest, I don't weigh it anymore. I used to sit here and weigh the waffle mix, but now I just kind of guesstimate. I don't usually use a lot of the mix anyway. So, all right. I'm gonna put my waffles to boil or to burn. I don't know. You could probably skip on the whipped cream, but lately this is how I've been loving my waffle. And I just love mixing up the toppings, but lately, okay, so cinnamon protein waffles with pecans, blueberries, banana, and whipped cream with maple syrup. This has been my go-to breakfast for a while. So funny, I'm telling you, when I made that video, I was like, wow, I ate a lot of waffles. But yeah, we'll see. Other than that, I do like mixing it up. Like, I do like egg whites with avocado toast and stuff, sausage, these amazing cauliflower hash browns that I have. But I don't know, lately this has like been my jam every day, quick and easy. So get yourself a waffle maker. All right, it's lunchtime. I went and picked up this from Vons. It is top loin New York strip with bone in. I love bone in. I don't know why. I love chewing on bone. I just think it makes it so much better. However, when I put in my little app that when I don't get the bone, it's like for some reason healthier. Like, I don't know, like the calorie count like is just better. I don't know. I thought it was weird, like strange. But anyway, so I am gonna put some lemon on this, and then I'm going to I put both, so humor me, but I sprinkle some salt on there, some pepper. So, my mother-in-law, my family, like my husband and I, and like our side of the family, we go to dinner a lot, and they're always like, wow, you get steak. I love steak. I've tried not to eat it as much just because of my cholesterol, but I don't know, like, I'm not the best chef, but for some reason, I feel like every restaurant I've been to, whenever I order the steak and it's expensive, like $45 for the steak, I just feel like I could make a better steak at home to like my liking. So I just don't order the steak anymore. I usually, if like we're somewhere really nice, just get lobster, because the steak, I like mine the best. And I like mine well cooked and well done, and not everybody likes that, but I don't know. I just feel like I could do better at home. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna let it sit like this for 30 minutes in the fridge while I go shower. I'm gonna get some butter. I'm gonna make a steak. Just gonna melt it on the pot. It's a lot more butter than I would usually use, but I don't have, like, it's like the end of it, and I don't want it to stay in the fridge for God only knows how long, and I'm not gonna use it, so I'll just use all of it right now. Alright, just melting this all over, and then I'm going to pick this up, put the marinated side down, and then sprinkle the top. Here we go again. Salt. Ooh. Some thyme. And a couple chunks of the sea salt. I'm gonna make a matcha smoothie or latte as well. I'm really excited. So this is the matcha I use. It's jade leaf. You can get it at Target. But okay, I really like the Starbucks new matcha lavender, like oat milk cold foam, whatever latte. Was hoping not to like it because the calories are like 360 for a grande. I bought this lavender syrup off Amazon. It had what I thought was the least amount of sugar. I thought I got one with 9 grams. Okay, 16. 16 is not too bad for it being in it. Like, it's a lot of sugar, but compared to like the 34 grams in the Starbucks one, I'm hoping not to use that much. So this is 16 grams of sugar per 30 milliliters, and we're not going to use that much, hopefully. We'll see. I didn't get a pump, but anyway. Also, the milk changes it, because I ordered that oat milk lavender matcha latte with soy, and it wasn't as great. So I'm gonna do 12 ounces, so that would technically be like a tall. I'm gonna do 12 ounces of lactate milk. Pour this into my cup here. And then I'm going to do, so for this has sugar too. So this has 9 grams of sugar per 2 teaspoons. I'll show you real quick. So I'm gonna get 2 teaspoons. My little measuring thing. This has been my favorite matcha that I've tried so far. All the other matcha powders that I've tried, they're just not it. I've tried several. Let me know down below what your favorite one is. Okay, so now I'm a little, I don't know like what a pump is at Starbucks. Like I worked there for 10 years, and I know like the rest, like the ratio of what they use, but for syrup. I don't have a pump, so I don't know what it would equate to. So I think I'm gonna start just with 1 teaspoon. Just because I already have so much sugar in here, so, and we had maple syrup this morning, so that's a lot of sugar for the day. My app recommends only 25 grams of sugar, and we're already past that. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little blender here, frother, milk thingy, whatever, blend this up. We'll see. I don't expect this to taste exactly like Starbucks at all. And first of all, I'm not making the cold foam. It's not gonna be purple because this is not. But I'm just gonna give it a good blend. I'm not gonna put ice in it because I feel like depending on what type of water you're using for your ice, mine comes from the tap and I feel like it ruins my drinks, so. I'm not really getting lavender, but I feel like it might just be sugar. I don't really feel like I'm tasting lavender from that. I just feel like it just sweetened it and made it better. That's all. Than like when I just make this myself. But anyway, cheers. All right, I'm gonna make dinner now. It's gonna be the last meal of the day. And that is going to be my ravioli. You guys saw this in the other video. I love this so much. It's cauliflower cheese ravioli. And let's make it. I'm gonna make a cup of tea now. It is around 7 and I'm gonna make an herbal tea. I'm just gonna have some raspberry hibiscus. I am gonna add a little bit of the lavender syrup to it. So I did taste this on its own because I was like, I don't taste any lavender like in the matcha latte I made earlier. But now I like on its own, it does taste like really similar to the Starbucks lavender, but I don't know why in the matcha I just didn't taste it at all. But anyway, I'm going to put some collagen in my tea. I really like this collagen. So I've had like Vital Proteins before, but I didn't like the flavor. Like even the flavorless one still had a taste. This one I got at Erewhon and it's really finely milled and there's just no flavor for it, like to it. So I just add that to my tea. I usually have a cup of tea every morning, but this morning I was really excited to just eat and get to the gym, and I was gonna drink my BCA, so I didn't make a cup of tea this morning just because I felt like that would have been a lot of fluid. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of my night. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!